Hey, what's up guys? Today I have another couple solutions on how to fix most of your Galaxy phones that does not power on, like the S3, the S4, 5, 6, and 7. These solutions are very easy and hopefully this will fix your problem. Before we start, make sure your phone has been charged for at least 30 minutes. Now the first simple step is to hold your volume up, power button, and home button at the exact same time for 20 to 60 seconds, or hold the volume down, power button, and home button for the exact same time. If this didn't work, try holding the power and home button for 30 to 60 seconds. If none of these solutions work, get access to your battery and try disconnecting it for 2 to 5 minutes. Sometimes when your cell phone does not power on, it could be a good chance that the battery needs to be replaced. Over time, all cell phone batteries will become defective. As you can see here, after I replaced my old battery, this solution worked out for me. Now if it's not the battery, try replacing your charger. Try using multiple micro USBs with different wall adapters as well. Sometimes wall adapters doesn't have enough power to charge your cell phone. Try replacing it for another. If you tried all of these solutions, there's a good chance that either one, the charging port needs to be replaced. You can find these parts on eBay for a very cheap price. You can try replacing it yourself or have someone else replace it for you. Just purchase the part and pay only for labor work. The next cell phone part that could be defective is the LCD screen. Or lastly, it could be a water damage situation, which is probably the worst thing that could happen since it's very difficult to fix and replace the affected parts. The best thing you could do is take it to a repair shop and have them inspect what parts needs to be replaced. But if you tried any of these solutions I did in this video and it worked out for you, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you guys on our next video. Peace out.